Hey YouTube, wanted to show you my G35 Coupe. Up top here on the cubby hole we got a Garmin Nuvi 3590. Got my double din radio. It's an AVH, Pioneer AVH 8400. And then what I ended up doing is I ended up putting ambient lighting on the footwalls on both sides. Also on the door handle and the map little pocket there. I'm not done with the interior, but as you can see, I started doing the carbon fiber on the door handle. I'm going to put it right here as well where the light is, and also around the speaker. I'll switch over to the other side. Same thing on the door handle and the map. I'll pan out here so you guys could see. It matches perfectly. I don't know if you could tell. I don't think you could tell on the video, but it matches perfectly with the dash. The car does have 160,000 miles. But if you guys want more info on each individual product that I've done or how I did it, let me know and I'll do a more detailed video on it. So just to let you know, I haven't seen a video of an interior G35 like this, so I decided to make one up myself and load it up. If you guys have any comments, either good or bad, let me know, and then we'll go from there. One more thing I did want to mention is I ended up getting this custom shift knob to match the OEM interior. But as I'm thinking and I'm thinking about getting this carbon fiber vinyl and wrapping it. All of this, getting carbon fiber. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me see if I'll turn on the light, see if you guys could catch a better how it looks. There's a Garmin Nuvi. I ran all the wires from this all the way, sorry about that, all the way behind the radio and underneath the shift knob, and it comes out through the armrest. And there it is, including that Garmin power source. It goes underneath this whole console. Ride it all the way over here. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Sorry YouTube, another thing I did want to mention is that when I did the ambient lighting for the interior of the G35, I also did it on the cup holders. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I put two LEDs down there. So it matches pretty good. Let me see if I could pan out here.